about the internal structure of monocot and dicot stem. What is stem? Stem is the plant axis which is seen above the ground. Okay, and the stem is erect and ascending. The stem produces branches, leaves, flower and fruits. The function of stem in Pathana, it helps in transportation of water and minerals, storage and transpiration. So first one, the internal structure of monocot stem Pathana. This is the structure of maize. So first layer is the epidermis. Okay. So epidermis is made up of single layer of parenchyma cells which is layered with the cuticle. Cuticle is basically for the prevention of loss of water. After enna irukona idla few stomatas paakala which will help in transpiration. Then you will see that there will be no trichome present in case of monocot stem. So the second one is the hypodermis. Hypodermis வந்து ரெண்டு செல்லால இருக்கு. ஒன்னு வந்து sclerenchyma, ஒன்னு வந்து parenchyma. Parenchyma is for the photosynthesis, whereas sclerenchyma வந்து it will provide the mechanical strength to the plant. So the third one is ground tissue. So ground tissue is made up of parenchyma cells. Okay. So where it is seen, it extends from the hypodermis, that is inge till the pit vary at full on the ground tissue. So it is not differentiated into endodermis, pericycle or pit in case of monocot. So you cannot find these parts in monocot stem. Next one is vascular bundle. Monocot vascular bundles வந்து conjoint, collateral and endark. So conjoint enna, it is all in the same radius. That's conjoint. Endark. Endark means you can find the protoxylem which is in the center, okay, and in the periphery you will be seeing the metaxylem. So it means endark. In the black color cells it is nothing but the sclerenchyma cells. So the sclerenchyma cells will form a sheet around the vascular bundle which is called as bundle sheet. Okay. Next வந்து நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா xylem. Xylem in case of monocot stem is arranged. The xylem vessels இருக்குல்ல, அது வந்து எப்படி அரேஞ்ச் ஆயிருக்கும்னா இது வந்து எப்படி இருக்கு, ஒரு Y shape. It is arranged in the Y shaped. Okay. So you can find a green color cavity here. So what happens is like in a mature stem la வந்து இந்த protoxylem வந்து disintegrate ஆகி அது வந்து ஒரு cavity form பண்ணும். அந்த cavity பேரு தான் protoxylem lacuna. Okay, so this was about the xylem. When it comes to phloem, phloem fibers of phloem parenchyma வந்து இது வந்து absent ஆ இருக்கும். So phloem fibers is absent. Next one, So pit வந்து monocot வந்து absent. So this was all about the internal structure of monocot stem. Next வந்து நம்ம dicot stem ஓட structure பார்க்கலாம். So first one is the epidermis. Okay, so epidermis is made up of single layer of parenchyma cells. Then the other one you find is the epidermal hairs, which is called as trichome in case of stem. And you can see a few stomata in young stems, which will be helping in the process of transpiration. Then there is a lining of chemical substance called as cutin, and it forms a layer of cuticle. And the cuticle will help the loss of water in this stem. The second layer is the cortex. Okay. So in stem, cortex is differentiated into 3 layers. First one is the hypodermis. Okay. So hypodermis are made up of multi-layer means 6 to 8 layers of parenchyma cells. Okay. Then in the gap it contains the deposition of pectin and cellulose. So the parenchyma cells of hypodermis will help the plant by giving it mechanical support. Mechanical support is the function of hypodermis. The second one under cortex is the middle cortex. So the middle cortex here, it is in the green color. Okay. Why is it in green color? Because the middle cortex is made up of chlorenchyma cells. Chlorenchyma cells. And here you can find a red colored duct, which is called as raceme duct. Okay, the raceme duct will secrete a substance called as raceme, which is basically a sticky substance. So எப்போ நீங்க ட்ரீ கிட்ட போய் பார்த்தோம்னா சில ஒரு ஸ்டிக்கி சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ் அதோட பிரான்ச் இல்லைன்னா அதோட ஸ்டெம்ல இருக்கும். ஸோ அதுதான் வந்து இந்த ரெசின் டக்கோட செக்ரீஷன். ஸோ அது எதுக்கு செக்ரீட் பண்ணணும்னா அது வந்து பிளான்ட்டை வந்து இட் வில் டேமேஜ் வந்து ப்ரிவென்ட் பண்ணதுக்கு தான் தேர் இஸ் a secretion of resin. And then from the insects, protection from insects and pathogen, this resin helps. Okay. So the function of middle cortex is food storage and since it has chloroplast in it, it performs photosynthesis. Okay, so this was all about middle cortex. The third one is the inner cortex, the blue colored one. Okay, so the third one is the inner cortex. So the inner cortex here, it is made up of parenchyma cells, multi-layer parenchyma cells. So inner cortex or a function is storage and exchange of gases. Okay, exchange of gases and storage of food. Okay, so the next one is the red color layer, which is nothing but the endodermis. So endodermis எப்படி இருக்கும்னா, it is a single layer of barrel shaped parenchyma cells. எப்படி இருக்கும்னா, single layer of barrel shaped parenchyma cells. So in the endodermis there will be presence of starch grains. Okay, it is fully stored with starch grains. So endodermis is otherwise called as starch sheet. So this was about the endodermis. Okay. So in here we have பார்த்துட்டோம். Till here we have seen. Okay. Till the red portion. So after this, whatever it is there, like endodermis குள்ள இருக்க எல்லா tissues வந்து collectively it is called as stele. So stele under என்னென்ன இருக்கும்னா, pericycle followed by vascular bundles and pit. So இது எல்லாமே compress ஆயிதா it forms you the stele. Okay, we'll be seeing one by one. So first நம்ம என்ன பார்க்கலாம்னா pericycle. So pericycle வந்து you find sclerenchyma cells. எப்படி இருக்கும்னா, it will be arranged in a patch மாதிரி இருக்கும். And it will patch மாதிரி இருக்கா இங்க, it will be seen between the endodermis and the vascular bundle. Vascular bundle in the blue color வந்து phloem, and this the red one is the endodermis, and the black color is the pericycle. So it is seen in between the endodermis and the vascular bundle, and it is seen as patches. Okay, seen as patches. It is also called as bundle caps. Bundle caps in here சொல்றாங்க because இதுதான் vascular bundle. So இந்த sclerenchyma cells வந்து ஒரு bundle மேல vascular bundle மேல இருக்கனால bundle cap, ஒரு cap formல இருக்கு. So it is bundle cap. So sclerenchyma cells, patches. Okay, which is also called as bundle cap. அதுக்கு நடுவுல என்ன இருக்கும்னா parenchyma cells. So the sclerenchyma patches will be alternating with the parenchyma cells. So this is what you see in pericycle. So the other one, the next one is the vascular bundles. So vascular bundles in case of dicot stem எப்படி இருக்கும்னா conjoined. Conjoined என்ன, we have already seen. So conjoined means they all are in the same radius. Okay, same radius. Oh, this conjoined. And collateral. Okay, then it is open. Open means what? You have this green color, which is the cambium. So when there is a presence of cambium, then we say it as open. Okay, then it is endark. Endark na the protoxylem, that is the primary xylem, will be seen in the center and the metaxylem will be seen in the periphery. You can see that this is the primary xylem, okay, and it is seen in the center. It's seen in the inner side. Endark means inside. and the metaxylem, it is seen in the outside. So it is endad. Okay, so these vascular bundles are arranged as a ring. Ring na ipdi irukum vascular bundle. Pit inga irukuna, it's arranged as a ring around the pit. So this was all about the vascular bundles. So pit here is actually a well developed pit. Okay. Well developed. It is made up of parenchymal cells. Okay. So this is all about the internal structure of dicot stem.
Now we will be seeing the difference between dicot and monocot stem. First one, hypodermis. In dicot stem it is collenchymatous, whereas in monocot stem it is sclerenchymatous. Second one is ground tissue. In dicot stem it is differentiated into cortex, endodermis, pericycle and pit, whereas in monocot it is undifferentiated mass of parenchymatous cell. Third one, vascular bundle. In dicot stem it is less in number, uniform in size, arranged in a ring, open vascular bundle. Bundle sheet is absent. In monocot stem it is numerous, scattered, closed. Bundle sheet is present. Secondary growth is present in dicot stem, whereas secondary growth is absent in monocot stem. Pit is present in dicot stem, whereas it is absent in monocot stem. Medullary rays is also present in dicot stem and it is absent in monocot stem.
So in today's video we have seen the internal structure of dicot and monocot stem. In the next video we will be seeing the internal structure of monocot and dicot leaf. If you have any queries or doubts, please post in the comment box. Like and share the video. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.